Alright guys, today we have for sale a 1992 Jeep Wrangler, and it's a 4.05 speed. This has got 69,000 original miles on it. Actually 69,211 currently. It just had a clutch put in it about 211 miles ago. It's got a brand new U-joint, fresh oil change, ready to go. Here's the inside of it. As it's got the hard top doors. You can see it probably needs some seals through here though. Alright, anyways, it's you can see it's got the hard top doors, the fiberglass sliders. But they do slide, you know, they're getting a little bit better. They could use cleaned up and stuff, like the door panels and things that need seals in here. Could really use a couple of new seals, but the dash is in great shape, no cracks or anything like that. All the gauges work except for the fuel gauge. Seems to be a little bit wonky. The seats are all in good shape. The back seats do come with it. Well, the back seat does come with it. It's not in it currently. It's got some cracks and stuff right here through the seat. And then, as the paint looks pretty good in pictures, you can see it's just been buffed. Now the compound's kind of drying up. Needs to go through with a little polisher and really go over it again. It's got one little bitty rust spot right in here. For a Jeep, that's nothing. It's never been off-roaded or anything. It's a 2-owner Jeep. The original owner had it until like 48,000. And then after that, my Uncle Chuck bought it in 2008. Got all the service records on it since 2008. This Jeep was really his baby. He's since passed away. It's got 33 1250 tires on it. Good tires and wheels. And it actually has two sets of these wheels identical to each other. That way they could have the spare on the back match the wheels on the Jeep. Anyways, you come around the front here. It's got like an aftermarket chrome grille in it. Those are actually KC daylight lights. Aftermarket bumper, and then I mean, like I said, it's just a good little Jeep. These windows slide also. Just kind of showing you around it and everything. It's a little bit, it's a Jeep, you know, but it's in really good shape. We'll pop the hood here in a minute, and it's got a little bit of rust back here on this back bumper cover here, and then just trying to show you guys everything that you would not see from pictures. You know, I just want to be not wasting anybody's time. It still has a stopper for the tire. The struts on the lift back here do not work, but they're there, so you know what to get sized for real cheap. It's got a locking center console, and it does work, and it does have the keys. Alright, we're going to go ahead and fire it up here for you, and then you can listen to the motor. And I said this already, but it's a 405 speed, high output. It does have air conditioning and heat, both work. Original radio, and it works also, even though sometimes it's finicky. Like I said, little 4.0 straight 6. It's got a throttle body spacer on it. Other than that, it's a really clean motor, no leaks, anything like that. It's been very well maintained. We have the Carfax history report on it. Still got the original jack and everything like that in it. And I mean, as you can see, it's just a really good runner. You know, the paint's not perfect, the hard top's not the most perfect shiny, but at the end of the day, it's a Jeep. That is the original radio, and it does work. The blower motor, you can hear it on high. You can switch it nice and easy. You can go to vent, which shuts it off, and then it's got the factory air over here, which is a little cold right now. So then it's got the locking center console. Full drive goes right in. We didn't really detail the back of it here or anything. I mean, this is just this seat hasn't been up in years. My uncle just had a little thing there to put his guns and ammo and hunting supplies and camping supplies and things like that in. And but we still do have the original seat that will go with the Jeep. So we're going to get these videos uploaded, and it's got great oil pressure, but we're going to get the videos uploaded for you here, and we go from there.